it's hard, but we just have to remember that the Lord is with us. And so there'll be many days where you don't get much progress, but there have been many times on my mission that I wish I would have learned in the beginning that you just have to have faith that you're going to find the people that the Lord has prepared. If you just get stuck in the idea that, you yourself and your hard work and your intelligence is going to find investigators, you're never going to find anybody. Because the Norwegians, they're smart enough, well, they'll see right through that. The only thing that touches their hearts is the Spirit. And if you don't have the Spirit with you, there's no way that you're ever going to be able to convert anybody. So, preparing to proselyte in Norway, just pray as much as you can that the Lord will be with you. And if He is, then you'll have success. And that's really the key to missionary work in Scandinavia in general. It's just the Spirit's the only one that's able to break down that social wall that they built. And that's something I wish I would have learned earlier in my mission.